Alright, I've got the IP in, and I've got all the connectors but 3 connected. I know what 2 of them go to. They go to the upper intake. This here and that one there connect to the upper intake. This one, I can't find the connector in here at all. I'm wondering if I've got it tucked behind something. I've been feeling around trying to find it, but I can't find where it goes. I'm trying to start it and get it, just check it for leaks, and the 2 that go to the upper intake I'm not worried about, but this 3rd one right here, I've tried starting it, it won't start, so I'm thinking it probably needs to be connected in order to start. Just my thoughts. I can't find where this one connects to.